Yes, sir.
If you've been using Kling Video 2.6, you know it was already strong. But Kling 3.0 just dropped, and honestly, this isn't just a patch. It's a complete architectural overhaul. It's designed to fix the biggest headaches we have in AI video: consistency, duration, and audio. The biggest change under the hood is what they call a unified multimodal workflow. Basically, instead of having different disjointed tools, everything is trained together inside one native model. That includes text to video, image to video, reference to video, and even editing tasks like adding or removing objects. Because the model understands all these tasks simultaneously, the control feels much tighter and the responses are way more accurate than what we're used to. But the flashy feature everyone is going to talk about is the multi-shot generation. Usually, AI video is just one continuous, weirdly morphing clip. Kling 3.0 can actually generate a sequence with different shot sizes, camera positions, and transitions, all in a single run. It supports durations from 3 up to 15 seconds in one generation. That might not sound long, but in AI time, that's huge. It gives the model enough runway to establish complex action logic and continuity that shorter clips just can't handle. For creators, the enhanced element consistency is the real MVP here. In image to video, it locks in your main character and key objects. You can zoom, pan, or move the camera, and the subject actually stays consistent without morphing into someone else. They've also nailed the details. The native level text rendering finally gives us clear, structured text on signs and subtitles with minimal distortion. Overall, Kling 3.0 feels like it's moving us from just generating clips to actually directing scenes. Now, let's actually see how it works. Go to Higgsfield.ai and go to Video and click on Kling 3.0. When you're in this page, you can either add an image as a starting point for your video and an end frame, which would be how your video ends. Both of these options are optional, and you can create a video right away just with a text. To push this model to the limit, let's see what it can do with a simple prompt. Let's do a cinematic shot of Santa Claus carrying a glowing metal box running in post-apocalyptic Dubai. We can choose the duration of the scene from 3 to 15 seconds with this slider, which offers much more control than other models with certain built-in video lengths. To use its new multi-shot feature, let's toggle it and write another scene. Let's do a zombie charges at Santa Claus, who throws the box at it. Now, we can select the aspect ratio of this video. Let's do 16:9 for usual horizontal video. Then, we can pick resolution, and finally, let's click Generate and wait until our video is complete. Now let's talk about another new model, Kling 3.0 Omni. It is the direct upgrade to the O1 model, but to call it just an upgrade is underselling it. Omni is designed to solve the 3 biggest problems that have held AI video back from professional use: disjointed workflows, lack of physical weight, and the silent movie problem. Kling 3.0 Omni fixes all 3 by bringing them into a single, unified native model. Let's start with the foundation, Omni Reference 3.0. In the past, reference fidelity, how much the AI output actually looked like your input, was hit or miss. You'd upload a photo, and the AI would give you a cousin of your subject, not the subject themselves. Omni Reference 3.0 changes the calculation. It offers significantly higher subject similarity and stronger prompt responsiveness. It essentially locks the identity of your subject, drastically reducing those rendering artifacts where faces melt or textures glitch out. But here's the killer feature. It's called Character Element 3.0. For the longest time, we've been training AI with static JPEGs. But people aren't static. We move, we breathe, we have micro-expressions. With Kling 3.0 Omni, you don't just upload a photo. You can now upload or record a 3 to 8 second video of your character. The model watches this video and extracts not just the visual geometry of the face, but the vibe. It learns the vocal tone. It learns the movement style. This allows the model to generate a performance that feels consistent with the person, not just their picture. And because we are uploading video with sound, we unlock native audio. This is not a post-production lip sync filter slapped on top. This is in-model generation. When you type dialogue, the model generates the video frames and the audio waves simultaneously. This means the lip sync is accurate, but more importantly, the delivery is expressive. If you tell the model to be angry, the lips curl, the eyebrows furrow, and the voice strains, all in perfect unison. It gives you tone control that feels human. So, where do you actually use this? First, action and physics. Kling 3.0 Omni understands weight. If you generate a car chase or a fight scene, the interaction feels grounded. Smoke, debris, and fast movements don't turn into a blurry mess. They have structure. Second, text-critical content. If you are making ads, storefronts, or UI mockups, the text rendering is finally sharp. You can actually read the signs in the background. And finally, multi-shot storytelling. Because the model has stronger instruction following, you can use multi-image elements to have different characters interacting in the same scene without their identities bleeding into each other. You can execute smooth tracking shots or mechanical rig-style camera moves that feel cinematic. The takeaway is this: Kling 3.0 Omni is moving us away from prompting cool clips and toward directing actual shots. It is giving us the tools to control the performance, the sound, and the camera in one unified workflow. If you haven't tried the Omni model yet, check the guide link below, upload a video reference instead of a photo, and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching.